A very good morning, class. Today we are going to learn a new topic in motion and time, that is chapter 13, distance and time graph. But this distance and time graph topic, I will be dividing it into two parts. First, in first part, we will be understanding what is a distance time graph. From the distance, observing the distance time graph, what we can speak, conclude. And in the second lecture, we will be learning how to plot a distance time graph. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Anyone?
ma'am.
Okay. So, from the word, can anyone tell? Distance time graph. What you understand? What do you understand? What does the word click? Distance time graph. What does the word clicks in your mind? क्या क्लिक करता है? डिस्टेंस टाइम वर्ड सुनते हैं. Come on, try. Anyone try?
Ma'am,
Graph.
graph is ma'am differently.
Okay.
Ma'am, which is used to perform y-axis and x-axis.
Okay, there will be a x-axis, there will be a y-axis. Okay, right. No, no, good. Now, distance time graph is एक ग्राफ तो याद है पिछले साल आपने ग्राफ पढ़ा है तो मुझे अलग से ग्राफ बताने की जरूरत नहीं ग्राफ क्या होता है have I do I have to tell you what is a graph बार ग्राफ बनाए थे x axis y axis पिछले साल so
Yes, ma'am.
so now
Ma'am,
this
excuse me, ma'am.
is this axis x or y can anyone हाँ ये कौन सा एक्सिस होता है x होता है कि y होता है come on try I am not telling you to give me a correct answer but you have to give me an answer is it an x axis or a y axis hmm yes Advita
X-axis.
be loud I cannot hear you
Ma'am, ma'am, x-axis.
x
Ma'am,
axis very
x-axis.
good and this is y axis okay now on this y axis we have distance what we have distance
Distance.
distance covered and on x axis we have time taken what we have now this distance covered and time taken will have a meeting point will have a meeting point yes or no
Yes, ma'am.
this point whichever point we get is gives us the speed what it gives us the what
Speed.
it gives us speed is the three terms clear first tell me ये तीनों टर्म्स क्लियर हुए पहले मैं प्लॉटिंग नहीं सिखा रही हूँ मैं हर एक टर्म का मतलब सिखा रही हूँ क्लियर हुए या नहीं
Yes, ma'am.
ओके ना अच्छा अब मेरे पास सवाल गिव मी सम आंसर if I have not I am here I am saying distance covered क्या मैंने distance covered में मेरा कोई टाइम में चेंज हुआ है when I have covered a distance has there been any change in time has there any for example here is 1 here is 2 here is 3 here is the 0 point 1 2 3 and so तो बताओ 0 पॉइंट क्या मैंने कोई टाइम कवर किया है बॉडी में मतलब इज देयर एनी स्पीड द बॉडी इज हैविंग एनी स्पीड और नॉट बोलो हाँ या ना मैं प्लॉट नहीं करवा रही स्टडी करवा रही हूँ पहले ये समझो देखो डिस्टेंस हो गया 3 और टाइम हो गया 0 तो क्या कोई स्पीड थी तो बॉडी क्या है रेस्ट पे है द बॉडी इज एट रेस्ट और नॉट Class,
Yes, ma'am.
just
Yes,
whatever
ma'am.
questions I am asking, answer it. उसके आगे सोचो नहीं, सिर्फ उतना सोच के बताओ. मेरी बात समझ में आ रही है नहीं? आगे
Yes,
पीछे
ma'am.
कुछ नहीं, जो हम बोल रहे हैं जो दिख रहा है उसके हिसाब से आंसर दो. एम आई क्लियर? आप दूसरा चीज नाउ कम टू डिस्टेंस. बॉडी अभी डिस्टेंस 0 है क्योंकि हम ये पॉइंट है. अगर इस तरह बढ़ेंगे तो डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहे हैं, इस तरह बढ़ रहे हैं तो टाइम टेक कर रहे हैं. राइट? राइट और रॉन्ग?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Right.
Body is moving in this line only, means it's not moving up, but it has covered some time. That means what? Body is rest. Body is in rest or motion? Body is in rest or motion? Body rest
Ma'am,
पे.
it is in.
हाँ, रेस्ट पे है कि मोशन पे है, पहले ये बताओ. कुछ सिंपल सवालों का जवाब दो तभी कम समझ में आएगा टॉपिक. Like I am telling that the body is moving like this. मतलब टाइम बढ़ रहा है लेकिन डिस्टेंस कुछ भी कवर नहीं हो रहा. Not defined, right? Not defined. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Possible? नहीं है. Is it possible? That means what? The body is at rest again. Yes or no? तो
Yes,
बॉडी
ma'am.
मोशन में कब होगा ये बताओ. दोनों केसेस में देखा कि अगर सिर्फ हम एक्स डायरेक्शन में बढ़ रहे हैं और डी वाई डायरेक्शन में नहीं बढ़ रहे तो भी बॉडी इज नॉट मूविंग. एंड इफ वी आर मूविंग इन ओनली वाई डायरेक्शन एंड नॉट इन एक्स डायरेक्शन देन ऑल्सो द बॉडी इज नॉट मूविंग. यस और नो? यस और नो?
Yes. Yes,
यस.
ma'am.
So that means whatever point of speed we get on these lines, that is the speed on these points. If we getting an intersection point on these lines, then the body is at rest. Yes or no? हमारी जो बॉडी है इज एट रेस्ट. चाहे हमारा ग्राफ यहाँ से शुरू हो चाहे हमारा ग्राफ यहाँ से शुरू रेस्ट पोजीशन से ही शुरू हो रहा है. यस और नो? अच्छा.
Yes.
अच्छा अब मेरी बात सुनो. If there is a straight line, remember what does a straight line use the word? Straight line. What does a straight line mean in graph? Remember, straight line का मतलब क्या है? Body line which type of motion? Straight line. Straight line. Remember, two types of motion, uniform and non-uniform. If it is a straight line, which type of motion we are getting? If it is a straight line, which type of motion we are getting? Come on, try. अगर straight line हो, अच्छा what does straight line mean? Means what? At every point, the speed is same, although the distance and time is changing. Yes or no? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So what does the when does is the speed same? When the speed is same, what does this mean? We are having a uniform motion or no? And for example, now I receive a plotting point like this. What's that? At every point we drawing the line, the speed is changing. Yes or no? The speed of the body is changing, and that means if the speed is not same, then not same, then what we
Yes.
are getting? A non-uniform.
Uniform motion.
Is it fine? आगे
Yes,
नहीं
ma'am.
बढ़ेंगे जब तक आपके सवाल नहीं आएंगे। मैं इस पॉइंट के आगे 1% नहीं बढ़ाऊंगी जब तक आपके सवाल नहीं आएंगे। मेरी बात समझ में आ रही है? एम आई क्लियर क्लास? मैं फिर से
Yes,
पूछ
ma'am.
रही हूँ। हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, तो बताओ तुम लोगों ने जो हमने 3 पॉइंट्स बताए उसमें क्या क्या ऑब्जर्व किया? व्हाट वर द ऑब्जर्वेशन? आपके क्या क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन थे, जरा बताओ। Come on, tell me. What were your observations? अरे चलो एक प्लॉट करते हैं, ड्राफ्ट प्लॉट ही करते हैं। तुम लोग को तो भैया सिर्फ खिचड़ी बनी हुई पसंद है ना, अपने बनी हुई खिचड़ी पसंद है, खिचड़ी बनाने का कोई शौक नहीं है ना। चलो खिचड़ी बनाते हैं इन बनी हुई। फॉर एग्जाम्पल ओपन पेज 151। ओपन पेज 151। हैव यू ओपन?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then the table accordingly we will be drawing a graph. I am following table 1 first. I am following table 1. Distance ग्राफ का डिफरेंस क्या क्या दिया है? 0, 10, 20, 40 का है। 20, second block is 40, third block is 60. That means x axis, y axis is equal to how much? Tail is what? Tail is what? Y axis is equal to one block is 1 unit is equal to how much? Who will tell? 1 unit is equal to how much? 1 unit is equal to how much? But I am not teaching you maths, that I will be teaching you how to plot what is the basics of graphs. That you have learned in class 6. So you will be telling me. Again I am saying I am not going to repeat the class 6 knowledge again. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be the scale? I have written 20, 40, 60 here. That means what is the scale? What's the scale
Ma'am,
of
ma'am, 10.
y-axis? What's the scale of y-axis? 1 unit is equal to how much? 1 unit is equal to how much written?
Ma'am,
Advika,
10.
answer. 1
Ma'am,
unit
10.
is, huh? 20 meters. Is it not? Is it not?
Yes, ma'am. 20 meters. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's see the x-axis. So here is the distance,
Mm.
time given in seconds. X-axis is equal to 1 unit is equal to how much? Given to you. 0, 10, 25, 40, 50, 60, 50, 85. Let's take the table of which table will be convenient. No, sorry. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. It's a 10. 10 seconds. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and right? And all the units are in seconds. So what is the unit scale? What's the scale? What is the
Ma'am,
scale of x-axis? X-axis का
ma'am,
scale?
y.
हाँ?
Ma'am, x-axis 10 units, ma'am, 1.
10 minutes. Unit is in minutes or
Ma'am,
seconds? Check and tell me.
ma'am, not 10 minutes, ma'am.
10 seconds. Okay. Now let's plot this out. पहला पॉइंट है 0 पे 0. At 0 time we are at 0 A वाला. We are plotting for A. Yes or no? We are plotting for A. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So at 0 we are at 0. That means my starting point is here. Am I correct? Am I correct? At
Yes, ma'am.
0 time I am at 0 distance. My starting point is correct or wrong?
Correct.
Right. Now they are saying at 10 seconds. 10 seconds is move here. Distance covered is 20. Means this point. Correct or wrong?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next is at 20 seconds 40. This here I reached. Am I correct or wrong?
Yeah.
Then they are saying at 30 we are 60. Somewhere here. Then at 40 I am
Yes.
at 80. Right? Right or wrong? And at 50 I
Yes,
am
ma'am.
at 100. So we have got all the distances. Speed points. हमें सारे स्पीड वाले पॉइंट मिल गए. हर पॉइंट पे स्पीड कितनी है मिल गई. हाँ या ना? अब
Yes,
now
ma'am.
let's
Yes,
observe
ma'am.
after joining this point am I getting a straight line? Is it a straight line? Roughly a straight line? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So which type of motion I am having here in this graph? Which type of motion I am having in this graph?
Ma'am, uniform.
Uniform.
Ma'am,
Is it
uniform.
now clear or still confused? Now let's start. Now comes the working portion. It was the graphical portion. Yes or no? It was the
Yes.
graphical portion. Now my question is, what is the speed of the body? What is the speed of the body? So for every point, let's check the speed. 0 divided by 0 is 0. True? 0 divided by 0 is 0. Am I correct or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
20 divided by
I'm
10
correct.
is how much? 20 divided, this point is 20 divided by 10. It's equal to how much? Come
Ma'am,
on.
please repeat.
Huh? 2 meters per second. Am I correct or wrong?
Ma'am, please repeat.
20 divided by 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this point yes or no? अगर ये point given
Yes, ma'am.
हो, distance upon time will give me the speed or not? Distance divided by speed with time will give me the speed.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the distance here? 20 and time taken is 10. Yes or no at this point? इस point पे अगर देखो.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me the speed of, if this point is A, this point is B, what is the speed of C point? What is the speed of E point? What is the speed of C point?
Ma'am, ma'am,
Huh?
5.
What, Advika? Please repeat.
Ma'am, we have to tell, right? E.
C. For C, I'm asking. First, let's do for C. Is it not 40 by 20? क्या ये 40 by 20 नहीं है? इस पॉइंट पे देखो कहां तक पहुंचे 20 डिस्टेंस टाइम टेकन अगेन 40 meters in 20 seconds, right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the speed? What is the speed?
Ma'am, 2.
2 meters per second again. Good. Now for D point, same with D. Do it with D. D के लिए करो. D के लिए करो. जल्दी से. Do it fast for D and tell me. Same method. Do it for D and tell me. How much? 60 meters in 30 seconds. 60 meters in 30 seconds. How much?
Ma'am, 2 meter per second.
2 meter per second again. For
Ma'am,
E,
2.
for E,
Ma'am, 2.
80 meters in 40 seconds, right?
Ma'am,
How much?
5.
Huh?
Ma'am, 2 meters per second.
5. 80 divided by 40
No,
is
ma'am, 2.
5.
No, ma'am,
Math is
2,
very
2,
bad in
2, 2.
calculation.
Ma'am, 2 meters per second.
2
Ma'am, 2
meters per
meters.
second. Good. Finally, F 100 meters in 50 seconds. 100
Ma'am, 2
meters in
meters
50
per
seconds.
second.
How much?
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2 meters per second.
So,
Two
can you
meter.
observe one thing? The speed at every point is same. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, have we concluded what we concluded? It's a uniform motion graph or not?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
It's a uniform motion distance time graph. Correct?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
today's lecture, I will be only dealing with uniform motion distance and time graph. Just go through. I am not giving you any writing homework. Just go through the points. Am I clear? Just go through the points and accordingly go through your book. First see the recording, then read the book. What I am saying? Am I clear or not? First see the recording, then see the book, and then only I will be then read the characteristics of a graph because I have started with the lecture of characteristics of a graph only. Am I clear? Am I clear? Acha. A small homework. Can I give you? Can I? On page 153, listen to me. On page 153, there is a small error in printing. If you have understood the concept, if you have understood the concept of graph, you will be telling me what is the wrong thing written here. Can you?
Ma'am, on page number 153.
153 प्रिंटिंग में गलती है हमें पता है लेकिन मैं चाहती हूँ अगर आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ गया है तो आप मुझे वो गलती बताएंगे समझ में आया या नहीं
Yes, ma'am.
ओके so the first question which will start on Thursday with what is the mistake written on page 153 am I clear
Ma'am, we
am I
have to solve this. This
हाँ
mistake is there.
समझ में आया
What
हमारा
mistake is
क्वेश्चन क्या
there? We
था
have to find out that.
अद्विका
Yes, ma'am.
is it clear
Yes, ma'am.
okay
Yes, ma'am. What?
so with this I end the class for today it's time thank you and have a nice day
Thank you, ma'am.